Good evening. My name is Officer Johnson. Can I have your full name for the record, please?
Arabella Pearson.
All right. Good evening, Ms. Pearson. Are you currently in a relationship? And if so, what's the name of your partner?
Yes, I am. His name's Ambrosia Wood.
All right. And where were you last night at 7:45 p.m., Ms. Pearson?
I was working out.
All right. And do you know what happened last night at 7:45 p.m.?
No, my phone's been missing, so I haven't been in contact with anyone.
Liar! You killed him! Admit it already.
What?
Ms. Pearson, all the evidence points to you killing your boyfriend. It makes both of our lives easier if you tell the truth.
Is this some sick kind of joke? Ambrosio's dead? What? What evidence? What are you guys talking about?
First of all, it's your boyfriend that was killed. Second of all, we found the arguments over text message. And third, we found your hair at the crime scene.
Wait a minute.
So the gram stain came back negative and we were able to isolate the bacteria. Speaking of bacteria, Arabella, last week you asked if whether you or your twin sister committed a crime, whether we'd be able to determine who did the crime. To answer your question, every human being has 30 times more bacterial cells than human cells, and together these make up the bacterial cloud. Each person has a unique bacterial cloud depending on who they come in contact with and their environment. These clouds start forming during birth and have no genetic link. So you and your twin have completely different bacterial clouds. So this is yours. So during a crime scene investigation, we'd be able to isolate your bacterial clouds and determine who did the crime, whether it was you or your sister.
Wait, did you guys do a microbial forensics test?
I'm sorry, a what?
A microbial forensics test. That's when you swipe a surface looking for bacterial signatures. Everyone has their own.
She's just making excuses.
Ms. Pearson, we've done a whole battery of tests. We did fingerprints, nothing came back. We did a DNA test and it came back to the same DNA you have. All the evidence points to you. Just make both of our lives easier and admit to the crime.
But did you do a microbial forensics test? I have an identical twin. We have the same DNA, but we have different microbial fingerprints because we do different things during the day. She goes partying, I go studying. Please. Please.
Ms. Pearson, I'll see what the forensics team can do.
Are you kidding?
All right, good morning, Dr. Mitchell. Thank you for your help.
Good morning, Officer Johnson.
So what do we have here?
So here is the bacterial cloud from Mr. Wood.
And that's the one your technicians got from the strangulation site, right?
That is correct.
Okay.
This is the bacterial cloud from Desdemona.
Yes.
And this is the bacterial cloud from Arabella.
So initially we thought Arabella committed the crime because of the DNA evidence and the fight they had between the two people. So what does your test conclude?
We conclude the opposite, actually. After looking and analyzing the results, we see that the bacterial signature between Mr. Wood and Arabella have no match. The bacterial signature between Mr. Wood and Desdemona do actually have a match.
So you're saying from the strangulation point, you found no bacteria that's resembles Arabella, but you found all of Desdemona's bacterial cloud.
That is correct.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.